are going to read this number under number forms, right? Now, how many digits in this number? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits are here in this number. We need to read this number. This number is in, now this number is in general form. We need to, in earlier lesson we learned, we have to separate this number into sets in 3, like this. We are going to separate this starting from 1. We are going to separate into 3 sets. Here, this one, first one, like this. Leave space within sets. Next set is here. This set, 3 sets. Here the next set. We'll write it like this. Now, next step, we put this number into zones or periods. The first period or the first set is in units period. In earlier lesson we learned it. This set, first set is in unit zone or unit period. This set is in, can you remember, we learned it earlier, thousands, zone or thousands place. Next, this set is in millions, millions zone or millions period. Now this is in billions zone or billion period. Now we are going to write this number in standard form. In standard form, 9 in billions zone, then that means 9 billion. 769, that is in millions zone, 9 billion. 769 million. 843, that is in thousands zone, and 752, that is in unit zone. Now this number is in general form. Now we make it into standard form. This is the standard form. Now we can read this number. 9, how many 9s here? In billions zone there are 9 billions. We can read this is as 9 billion. 9 billion. 769 million. 843,000. 752. This is the way we can read this number. This is in general form. We group it into periods or zones. Then we wrote it in standard form. Then that is easy to read this number like this.